Netanyahu grilled. For the 12th time, Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu is expected to be questioned by police this time around over the so-called cases 1000 and 2000. The first revolves around allegations that Netanyahu and his family members received lavish gifts from wealthy businessmen. Police have already recommended Netanyahu be indicted for fraud, receiving bribes, and breach of trust, suspecting he rewarded those tycoons for their more than just friendly presence. Case 2000 alleges that Netanyahu sought a quid pro quo deal with an Israeli media mogul, better coverage for better market conditions. Here, too, police have recommended an indictment. It was in August when Netanyahu last met police investigators at his Jerusalem residence. Then the focus was on a third case, dubbed Case 4000, also centering around a media-related quid pro quo deal, in that instance with the owner of the Walla News site, Shaul Elevitz. In the aftermath of that questioning, Netanyahu said he's confident Case 4000 had officially collapsed, saying facts show that the coverage of Netanyahu on Walla during the time of Elevitz remained as negative as it was before and hadn't changed in the slightest. But in any case, don't hold your breath. The Attorney General, who has the final say as for whether to indict the Premier or not, wants to make one overall decision in all three cases. And that might take long months, potentially after another round of elections is held. And as it appears now, Netanyahu is nowhere near losing. Ellie Hochenberg, I-24 News.